I got this.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
No way!
Sniper, 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 sniper. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Go back down, go back down. No!
I killed them all. There's 4 of them!
Oh, wait, Jaden, there's only 10 guys left. We got this. My heartbeat's just going off, bro. Dude, nobody wanted to fight me, so I just got a war zone.
How did that guy die?
You guys are so bad. You guys are actual trash cans. We took 3rd place and we only used pistols. You guys are actual dog water. I don't.
Down a guy in there. I mean, lowered him. How did I die?
Yeah, behind.
Oh, no way. I flipped it. I just Joe knifed him from the lighthouse.
No.
No, you did not!
Last guy's on roof, last guy's on roof.
Use your right,
So like the title says, one day I was thinking of some new content, and then it dawned on me. Warzone's a pretty popular game right now, because Cold War is an absolute dog water of a game. But all the content is just a bunch of sweaty nerds in their grandma's basement snorting G Fuel playing on their 32-inch curved monitors with their headsets cranked up so loud that footsteps are as loud as a PlayStation 4 fan, while also using Mac 10s and DMR 14s, dropping 40 kills in a low-skill lobby. Like, who wants to watch that? God. Then I decided the only rational idea was to forcefully drag along 3 of my buddies to the brink of depression by only using the most absolute garbage paperweight of a weapon class to get a dub.
Aquí está. Boletas para la.
What does that mean?
Here is bullets.
Kyle doesn't know.
That's Russian, and that's been one of the old Call of Duty games. Aquí está.
What?
That's
Wait,
definitely not
Why
Russian.
did you not grab that LMG?
Because
Emmett.
Jaden, we're just
Oh.
gonna pretend that he didn't say what he just said.
You can
totally
cut that out,
forgot.
right?
I
You
totally
can cut that out,
forgot.
right?
Dude, I want to confess something.
Huh.
I picked up a shotgun and killed the guy.
Jaden,
Part
we're
of the
1
win.
game in and you
We
already
just can't
forgot.
Ooh, found a revolver. The Red Sparrow. Alright, if I die in it, don't come up here.
We're both gonna compare dead.
Alright,
Yo! Oh my god.
I'm behind you.
there's a
Anyway,
guy.
it's
There's a
fine.
guy. Do I shoot him?
Go assassinate
Sniper,
someone.
sniper, 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 sniper. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Go back down, go back down. No! Oh my god.
No! Oh my
That
god.
was a good shot.
That's the most bad thing ever.
You did it.
Shouts out to that guy.
Get in, Emmett.
Can I jump from the helicopter
I
and
downed
get
him
in
on
it?
the roof. I downed him on the roof.
Oh. I down a guy in there. I mean, I lowered him.
Make it
Squad
me.
wipe.
What happened? Oh. I downed him, I finished him. Oh,
Lighthouse,
above us?
lighthouse,
In the
lighthouse.
tower?
Lighthouse.
Get some cover. Get some cover. Get some cover.
I'll take fire.
There's someone below me over here.
Snipe. I got sniped from behind. I got sniped from behind. He's literally right on the roof with us.
How did I die?
Flash them?
That's
Push
sad.
them?
Could I get a res?
There's another.
I didn't hear anything.
It was that guy with the sniper rifle.
Yeah, I killed that guy. His teammates are down on the other end of the roof. They just parachuted in.
Oh, I just shot a snipe.
Yeah.
Lighthouse,
Lighthouse.
Lay down. Someone lay down. Get me real quick.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Lay down. I'm fine. Ooh, that guy's shooting us from behind. From behind. Behind you. Black Predator.
Yeah,
Good
behind.
guy.
Oh, no way. I flipped it. I just Joe knifed him from the lighthouse.
No.
No, you
I Joe
did
knifed him. I
not.
was on the lighthouse.
Clip it,
Yeah,
clip it,
I
clip
did.
it, clip it, clip
I
it,
did.
clip
Good
it.
stuff.
We have money for armor.
Yeah,
6 grand. Right here. On the stairs.
Stairs.
I threw a knife and broke his armor.
He's right here. It's done. There's 2 in here. One's down, the other one's...
There's a guy outside. Lit.
They're dead.
That's
They're
lit.
dead. They're dead.
Dead.
Guy. There's a
Revive?
guy on
Not a team wipe, not a
on my
team wipe.
marker. On my marker. He's behind the door. To the right, Kung Fu, sitting right there.
Oh my god, yeah.
Ryan's still stunned.
I got BM.
He's stunned. Dead. There's more people on the roof. Don't challenge it.
4 dudes left. 3 teams.
Don't just show me my all this back.
Should I?
Oh my god, you have gas
Where-
mask.
how far is it?
Yes.
You have a gas mask.
You could get all 3 of us back.
No, I can only get 2 back.
Okay, I'm
on
laying.
that roof?
There's 2 on the roof. There's 2 on the roof right here. Right underneath me. Oh god, I'm dead. Right on JJ.
I actually killed him with the riot shield, bro.
It's just those
There's
guys
2
on the
on that
roof. It's
roof.
just the guys on the roof. They're jumping.
He just
You guys
parachuted
have high
down.
ground now?
I broke
Guys on
one
the roof
shield.
with the LMG.
The guy that's on the ground, I broke his shield.
That right shield saved your life. Last guy's on roof.
He's
1v1.
gotta jump. He's gotta jump. He jumped. He's on the other roof. He's on the other roof. He's just
Yeah,
walking
buddy.
against the storm on the roof the whole time.
Use your right stick.
No! Oh my gosh, good job.
No.
Honestly, I couldn't be happier about that. That was pretty good.
Oh! Peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out.
Peace out, peace out.
Trying to
I tagged
live.
him, I tagged him.
Trying to leave.
Bathtub. Oh my god, oh my god!
Jaden, buy me back.
I can't right now. I'm doing hot girl shit.
Pistol whip, pistol whip! Let's go. I killed a guy. Jaden,
trying to live, bro.
my heartbeat
trying to
just
live,
going
bro.
off, bro.
I'm trying to live, bro.
Oh my god.
JJ, expecting me. JJ, expecting me. JJ, expecting me. No.
We're getting in the fucking bathtub.
Go.
They're everywhere, bro.
No, I
JJ.
didn't assassinate.
That was so anticlimactic.
I tried
Oh
to
my god, JJ, you're getting back in.
JJ,
No
look,
way, I
spectate
really
me.
am.
Spectate
Just stay
me.
alive.
I see you. I'm gonna go get my Renetti and then I'll come help you guys.
Oh my god. Kyle,
JJ,
get
that's
the
like a mile
bathtub with
away.
us, bro.
Emmett, if someone comes in here, we freaking beat them to death.
So,
I hop
I'm
out
in.
the tub. I'll hop out the tub. They won't even know, bro.
I'm in. There's somebody right next to me on my thing, bro.
2 players, 1
Dude, there's a guy rezzing right next to the door.
Should we go beat him?
No, I'm not moving.
Kyle,
JJ.
get off of me.
Oh god.
Did that just open?
JJ, close the door.
Yo, that's supposed to be closed.
Close the door.
Shut the door!
Shut the door.
Everyone just beat him.
Ready? Ready?
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Oh god. Yep.
I don't think that worked very well.
I think
makes you
that's
think
how I'm pretty sure that's how I imagined it going. Just run outside and get body whopped.
Body whopped. Body yaddy yaddy yaddy.
Body
You just combined 2 Megan Thee Stallion songs. Body and wop.
That's so funny, dude. I actually can't breathe. I'm choking on my water right now.
Body yaddy 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 yaddy. With the wop.
Just go
With wop
Megan
playing in
Thee
the
Stallion.
background.
That's Cardi B, isn't it?
Isn't Megan Thee Stallion in that?
I have no idea.
She's like on all the sex songs.
That's fair enough.
Song.
She's in all
Body
the
po-
songs the
Kyle,
pastors
it's
told
called
me to stay away
body
from.
positivity. Wait, Jane, there's only 10 guys left. We got this.
I
dude.
know, I'm getting my stuff, bro.
This is gonna be a very difficult challenge.
This is gonna take multiple days.
3 days later.
I downed him. Let's go. Shut the
Hey,
kill.
let's
Get the kill.
all jump this window. There's a guy in the
almost
hallway.
perfect. Single guy hallway.
Tag him once. Behind us, behind us!
Guy behind us? Why was I the one to die out of all?
Yeah,
this?
2 guys coming, guys. 2 guys coming. You gotta dip. You gotta dip. You gotta dip.
Dip outside.
Oh,
Staircase.
I dipped on the roof. I didn't know. Sorry.
Yeah, that's really weird.
Rip.
Oh my god. I'm getting lasered from the building.
Jade, I'm safe if you can get me.
You're not.
Never mind, I'm not anymore. I lied. They kicked fast.
Those guys were watching loadout.
Did you throw knife one? Dude, that guy's an animal! I wish I could like do some damage while I'm hurt.
Throw rocks like in the gulag.
His teammate's above you.
Punch him.
No, Jade, give. No,
Boys,
you
I'm here.
did not. That is just seriously just witness a god amongst us.
I'm here, boys.
I'm cracked, bro. I
What just happened?
Both of them.
Jaden just
shit.
clutched it.
Jade just wiped the whole squad.
Here, boys. You guys need
Like
armor?
literally.
Okay. I gotta know when.
Right there.
Wait.
He just landed right there.
In our building. Downstairs.
I'm coming from downstairs.
I see his footsteps. Oh, that's a guy. Not our teammate.
Knocked him.
Throwing a stun.
No, he beat me to death. God damn it.
Okay, I don't see anyone out here. There's a guy right here. Threw a knife
Oh,
him.
jeez.
Oh my god. That's the guy that killed me teabagging.
Okay, 3 other people left. Pick up his crap.
Let's get in this building.
It's you guys versus 1.
Hurry up. Get to the top of this
It's all.
building.
Get this
I'm
done.
stunning him.
On the
That's
other
it.
roof.
That's it.
Stunned him.
That's literally him, boys. That's
He's
it.
dead. He's dead.
Oh my god. Let's go!
Yes, sir.
way.
Let's get it.
Dude! Yes!
Finally.
Oh my
Oh
god,
my
1,000 years later, bro.
That
go.
took so long.
Go! So yeah, after a long 3 painful days of lost footage and almost losing our sanity, we actually got the dub. But the satisfaction was actually so good that we decided that we wanted to do rocket launchers next. But overnight, when I was sleeping, a total of 150,000 votes came in, saying that we had to open up a chest to determine our next weapon class, completely overriding the rocket launcher idea. So here's the next weapon class for a new video.